Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Gemini. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, Gemini, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, Gemini. So let's start with these cards. We have 7 of stars, 10 of spheres in reverse, and 9 of moons in reverse. So these are the cards, guys. So in your circumstances, Gemini, it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship. So maybe for some of you, you need to you should make important decisions today, guys, after giving it a thorough thought today. So maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship. However great your dreams are, whatever aspirations you may have, or whatever good things you may be planning for, you must decide carefully, guys, Gemini, because there are a lot of things obstructing your way, your path. So you need to be really careful, cautious today, guys, in your circumstances. Let it be in your work or let it be in your personal life. And maybe you you may have some doubts or some confusion, something weighing you down. You do not know what will be the right thing for you today, because there with these cards I see some kind of uncertainty about your future. So you feel a lack of cheerfulness and confidence in certain things, guys. Maybe certain things are not as you expected, and you are someone really honest and you just speak what you have in your mind, guys, and that may not work well today, Gemini. You must choose your words carefully today, because with the people around you getting hurt, maybe in your work or maybe in your personal life, it may have some drastic impact. So this person may get hurt and they may do something irreversible, and it is going to affect you, guys. It is going to have a negative impact on you, Gemini. So you must be really careful with your words today, guys, Gemini. And even in this relationship, you must be really cautious, because there are certain circumstances unfolding today. Something it may it may simply happen. Maybe it may be your destiny, or whatever you call it. You may be moving towards some kind of a drastic situation, guys. So you need to be really cautious if you are making travel plans or if you are making some important decisions for yourself in your life, guys. You must be really careful. And maybe for some of you, you have people telling you certain things, giving you ideas or counsel. If you trust this person, you can listen to them, guys, because that is going to help you avoid some difficulties. So we picked one card for your relationship, Gemini, that is Pope of Stars in reverse. So in your situation, guys, there is a person with evil intentions. It may be, what to say, it may be this person you love, or it may be someone, and they are, what to say, trying to create problems for you in this relationship. So you need to be really careful, guys, with this person. If you know who it is, if you have a vague idea, you must be really careful, Gemini. So for your career situation, Gemini, we picked one card, and it is the Fool in reverse. So again, in your work situation, if you are making some impulsive choices, it is going to take you to some difficult circumstances, guys. So you must be very careful. Carelessness and mistakes are going to be, what to say, a very difficult thing to handle in your work, and you should not be distracted. So whatever is important, you must concentrate on that, guys, today, Gemini. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Gemini. These cards may point out towards something negative in your circumstances, guys, but it is just, what to say, giving us a caution. So what we need to do. So being attentive and being focused is what you need today, guys, Gemini. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card for you all, for those who chose this first card. It is Apache Tears. It's a Crystal Spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that in your situation, maybe you have too much sadness in your heart. You are thinking of your past person, your past love. So whatever happened, whatever the circumstances were, and it is simply weighing you down. So today you need to heal from that, guys, heal from that negative situation. So rejection, sadness is a form of a divine blessing, guys. So one day you will be able to see this circumstance with a different set of eyes. So you will have a more clearer vision, the reason why things went in such a way, and what was the benefit or what you achieved with that sadness and rejection you are feeling today. So in your future, you will be able to see what unexpected gifts these stressful, sad times have given you, guys. You will realize that very soon. But with this card, this Crystal Spirit card asks you to, keep your heart open, so that you live more fully, more lovingly, and more meaningfully from now onwards, guys. So whatever has happened has happened. So there is no way of changing it, but you can change your present and your future. So goodness is coming your way, happiness is coming your way, and your beautiful destiny is waiting to unfold. All you need to do is clear that negativity you have in yourself, release the past, wash away the old with the tears. Maybe you feel like crying, you just cry it out and release all that sadness and stress you feel. So you no longer need to hold on to these old emotions. That is not going to help you in any way, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it says, beyond the threshold of fear. So in your circumstances, guys, you have some kind of a self-imposed barrier of fear, something holding you back from moving forward. So you are in that mindset, you want to take that big leap forward. You no longer want to be controlled by this fear. You no longer want to hold yourself back for this fear. And you no longer want to be the victim. You want to, move forward in your life. Maybe in this relationship, you have some fears. That is the reason holding you back, holding you from making that big step. But you are moving towards that big step, guys. You need not worry because you are moving forward towards that. And you are going to feel so happy, free, just like flying. And you are going to, feel that freedom, and you can trust in the vision you have. And fear is not going to hinder your vision, and it's not going to obstruct the way you see the truth. So you must give up this fear you have in your circumstance towards something. So that is what is pulling you back, weighing you down, holding you to a particular situation, and you feel that you are bound and you are no longer you have that energy to move out. But today you have that confidence and courage in your heart to dispel all this fear and move forward in life, guys. So that is what I see. So you are going to be absolutely free, and you are going to have a clear vision what needs to be done in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in this relationship, and there is no more darkness for you, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.